Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bank token. A bank token is a small device that generates a unique, one-time passcode, or OTP, for secure online banking and transactions. This adds a crucial second layer of authentication, significantly enhancing your account security. It's designed to protect your financial information from unauthorized access and potential fraud, giving you greater peace of mind when managing your money. Activating your bank token is a straightforward process. Typically, you'll need to register the device with your financial institution, often through their online banking portal or by visiting a branch. Your bank will provide specific instructions, which might involve entering a serial number or a temporary code. Once activated, your token is linked to your account, ready to generate secure passcodes for your transactions. Using your bank token for transactions is simple and secure. When you initiate an online transaction or log in to certain services, you'll be prompted to enter a one-time passcode. Simply press the button on your token, and a unique 6-digit code will appear on its screen. Enter this code into the designated field on your computer or mobile device within its short validity period, typically 30 to 60 seconds. To maximize your security, always keep your bank token in a safe and private place. Treat it like cash or a credit card. Never share your token or any generated passcodes with anyone, even if they claim to be from your bank, as this is a common phishing tactic. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. If your token is ever lost or stolen, contact your bank immediately to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. This vigilance ensures your financial safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.